Good day, everyone. I've come once again to teach you. The problem we have on the board is a Junior Waec maths question that I extracted from past Junior Waec maths question paper. So if you are here, you're a candidate, you are preparing for your Junior Waec examination, I beg you watch this video because you may see something similar to this during your own Junior Waec examination. So let's go. Let me show you the easy way of solving this question. Let's go. All right, we have something like this. The question says, if 6 men can do a job in 4 days, how many days will it take 8 men to do the same job if they work at the same rate? So we have solution like this. All right, so this is proportion. We have inverse proportion and we have direct proportion. Direct proportion is when one is increasing as the other one is increasing. For example, when you increase the number of men, the number of days will do what? Increase. And when you decrease the number of men, the number of days will do what? Decrease. When something like this happens, you say that this is directly proportional to this. Is it clear? But when opposite of what is happening to this is happening to this, that means that it is inverse proportion. For example, when you increase the number of men, the number of days will decrease. Or when you decrease the number of men, the number of days will increase. When you have such situation, we call it what? Inverse proportion. All right, when you look at this now, when you have something like this, you have to use your number 6, your sense as a human being, your reasoning to check to see if this is direct or what? Inverse. All right, when you have 6 men doing work, it will take them 4 days. When you increase the number of men to 8 and they are working at the same rate, automatically they are going to do that work faster. It's as simply as ABC. What 6 men can do, if you add additional 2 men, making them what? 8, they are going to do it what? Faster. And by doing it faster, the number of days should do what? Decrease. So it means that by increasing the number of men, the number of days will do what? Decrease. It shows that it is what? An inverse proportion. And the way we solve inverse proportion is you multiply the first condition given to you and they will become equal to the second situation. All right, so like here now, we have 6 men. They are going to do this work in 4 days. So you multiply by what? The 4 days. That is how we do inverse proportion. Then look at the second one. We have 8 men. We don't know the number of days. We say let it be what? X days. Can you see that? The first situation is it multiplying, that's this times this is equals to this times this. The first situation should be equals to, that's the product of the first situation should be equals to product of the second situation. When you have something like this, all right, so what do we have? I'll pick the numbers. What I'm looking for days, but I'll pick the numbers. So I will say 6 times 4 is equals to, I have 8 times what? X. Can you see that? All right, when I multiply this, I will have that this will give me 8x. Can you see that? Then this, I will bring it down. I have 6 times what? 4. At this point, I will divide both sides by coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is what? 8. So I want to have only x. That's why I'm dividing both sides by coefficient of x. So when I divide this by 8, I will also divide this by 8. Cancel this, cancel that. So I'll have x like this. When 4 divides this, it will give me 2. When 4 divides 4, it will give me 1. Can you see that? Then when 2 divides itself 1, dividing 6, we are going to have 3. So we have that 3 times 1 is equals to what? X. It means that x is equals to, we have 3. And we are talking about days. That means we have 3 days. Is it clear? So the answer is what? 3 days. We have 3 days like this. It will take 8 men 3 days. So the right answer is what? 3 days. So let's check for the right option. The right option should be what? Option B. Can you see that? So we have option B as the right option. All right, so I believe that you enjoyed the way I just solved it. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge. in order to get educated. Bye. Once again, thanks for watching.